Birds love the eastern red cedars for protection, and also they love their berries. This is the eastern red cedar in the winter. It's a fairly hardy tree that is considered a survivor or a pioneer tree. It'll start up in an area where the soils were depleted and rough areas and rocky areas, and it can grow even along a shoreline. It can take some salt spray. At Highland Hill Farm, we grow the eastern red cedars, and we sell them bare root. We sell them in small pots. We sell them balled and burlapped. We dig them out of our fields as well. So if you need an eastern red cedar, call us at 215-651-8329. We have plenty of them. We're located in Fountainville, PA.